welcome back to my channel. Girl, I was heading out to my hair appointment and the UPS driver just dropped off my CÉCRED package. So I have all my stuff in here. It's literally still in the box. I was like, oh my gosh, I can take everything and go test it out for you guys. You know that I go to the dry bar now. I have been going for a while now and I've been loving it. You can get 2 blowouts a month for $90. It has just been so easy for me and helping me just take care of my hair more, honestly. So thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below to enter the giveaway for this video. So I'm going to be reviewing Beyonce's hair care line, CÉCRED, today. And you guys, I'm so sorry that the whites are so bright, it's like not going down. But I got the clarifying shampoo and scalp scrub, the moisturizing deep conditioner, the hydrating shampoo, the fermented rice and rose protein ritual, which is really cool because this is like the traditional like Asian ritual where you use like rice water and silk and all that on your hair, and the nourishing hair oil. So everything is so pretty. I love her packaging. It's textured. Oh, and I got the bottle that you're supposed to use for the rice and silk rinse. I'm really excited to see, like, is this salon quality? Is this, you know, an upgraded version of at-home hair care? Because you guys know that I am an ORIBE girl. This is actually their line for black hair. And I actually saw recently Lori Harvey uses this line. So this is for moisture and control. It's really meant for people who wear their hair natural and curly. I have just seen such a difference with my hair with the ORIBE, so yes, it is very worth it. I always use the ORIBE Balm Dior Heat Styling Shield for my blowouts, and this just takes it to another level. So I'm really sad I can't use that today. Yeah, girl, let me get in here. We're gonna see how the CÉCRED products work. So we started with the clarifying shampoo and scalp scrub. Now you are supposed to apply it directly to the scalp with the nozzle, but it smelled so good. I did wish that it was like a thicker exfoliant, because you know, you kind of really need to get in there in your scalp. There's a lot of oil and everything, but it did feel very good. As you can see, I said there, it's minty, left my scalp feeling really good and not stripped. Here we're using the hydrating shampoo. She was having some trouble getting the product out, but immediately on contact it just started foaming right away. So it gives a lot of foam, and it was really cool because you could just kind of feel the hair plumping. Even my stylist is saying this is really moisturizing, and I felt the same way. So now we're moving on to the moisturizing deep conditioner. It's just so thick and luxurious. The smell is just everything. And she just really got this into my hair and gave me a nice long massage. So we kept this on for 10 minutes. And then she applied some more and we rinsed it out. Now I will say I was a little underwhelmed with the curl pattern. It just was not giving anything. It already kind of looked a little dry, but as she was blow drying it, she said it is smoothing. She has done my hair plenty of times before, so she is familiar with my hair. It did feel really soft, and the curls are really coming through when she's blow drying it. So she does pin the curls just to get them more defined during the blowout, and when she was taking them out, the hair was looking really pretty. Now, I did feel like I needed some more manageability. I still felt it was just a little bit dry, so I'm using the Nourishing Hair Oil, which I wish was a little thicker. I feel like it can be a little stronger for my hair texture, but overall, this is what the outcome was. Okay, you guys, I am out of there. My hair is flowing and blowing, girl. The products are interesting, but I am not gonna go in depth right now. I am going to head home and let you guys know what I think. Okay, you guys, I just got home. We need to talk about this. The biggest takeaway from the CÉCRED line is that I thought it could definitely be way more moisturizing. I feel like it definitely lacks some shine, especially because I got the moisturizing deep conditioner. It seemed like their regular conditioner was not ready yet for the launch. So I was like, okay, well, even better. This was gonna be very thick and moisturizing, and it smells super good. It's not super strong, which I like because I'm trying to slowly get away from heavy fragrances because they're very toxic for you. Let's just kind of run our fingers through the hair a little bit. Now, I will say, it is moving. Now let's go in. I never have to use oil until about the 3rd or 4th day from my blowout. You guys saw I already put some of this in. You only should be putting a little bit, so I shouldn't have to put it in again. It also, see, my hand's getting stuck, like it's dry. Okay, we're just gonna cut to the chase. The CÉCRED is not moisturizing enough. So, girl, I'm gonna make this short and sweet. Now, I had no idea that people used oil while their hair was wet before they blow dried. You should not be doing that because oil breeds bacteria, and if you're putting this on your wet or damp scalp, that's how you can get a fungus disorder on your scalp. So I always put the oil on after when my hair and scalp is completely dry. So it's looking better for sure. But if you did not buy the oil, I think you should be able to have a nice moisturized look with just these products. Let's start with the clarifying shampoo and scalp scrub. When my stylist put this on me, well, for one, first impressions, it smells like a Thin Mint cookie. It smells really good and minty. Now, this is a clarifying shampoo, so I only put this on my scalp because unless like maybe you're new to taking care of your hair, you only need to use a clarifying shampoo once every 3 months or so. I do mine only twice a year. That's one trick to growing your hair and keeping your hair healthy, is to not strip it. Now, for the hydrating shampoo, it was, oh, and also too, when my stylist was working on me, I did feel my hair when she was doing every product, so I did feel it and touch it. The hydrating shampoo, it was very soft. It was softening. It was softening my hair. It was giving hydration to my thirsty hair, I felt like. So that's why I was a little shocked when, you know, it's kind of more on the dry side. Now, the great thing about her hydrating shampoo is that there are probiotics in it. So it's going to keep a healthy scalp environment to help you grow your hair. There's also, there's also a lot of oils in here. Oh, there's a lactic acid in here. So yeah, that's gonna kind of eat away your dead skin cells. Oh, and there's hyaluronic acid in here. So that was gonna really hydrate and really plump my hair because that's what hyaluronic acid does. Now, the one weird thing about the deep conditioner was that when I felt my hair, it did not feel like my hair was absorbing it. I don't know if the molecules are too thick to penetrate into the cuticle. I don't know what is going on with that, but it seemed like it was more so sitting on top of my hair. That's kind of like what the feeling is like. I don't know, it did something, but then it didn't. No hot tools were used, you guys, so my hair shouldn't be feeling this dry. Then this is the large vessel. I showed this to you guys in the car, and it comes with the nozzle that you put on as well. And then here is the fermented rice and rose protein ritual. It looks like that. And you get 4 treatments. So you're gonna get this step 1, the fermented rice and rose protein powder. You put this in your bottle with 24 ounces of water, shake it up and pour it on your hair and let it sit for 5 minutes. Then you rinse that out. This is a protein treatment, so your hair is going to feel a little dry and crunchy. That's when you do your step 2. Straight out of here, this is a silk rinse. And then this is going to fill back in the moisture into your hair. So this is what I'll be trying next week. Okay, you guys, so yeah, I'm gonna keep it short and sweet. The number one thing you look for in black products is it going to be moisturizing enough for my hair texture? Okay, that's like the basis of this. And I feel like CÉCRED is lacking a little bit in that department, and I can't quite put my finger on it. And even my boyfriend, when he just came in off camera, he said, oh, it looks so good, it looks so pretty. Hello, you guys, the maids are here. Sorry, 1 second. Okay, sorry you guys. I thought I was trying to be done before they got here. I'm sorry to say, but it's very dry in here. I would be very worried about breakage. I honestly kind of feel like a lot of the price in this line went to the packaging. I think you're paying a lot for these very custom packages. I have to say, I don't know if I would be repurchasing. That doesn't go without saying that I wasn't happy with any of it. For me, as a black woman with my texture, moisture comes first. So, oh, and also too, just to let you guys know, she only did 1 shampoo hydrating and 1 of the scalp scrub shampoo. So we did not dry it out or anything. I think there's something going on with this. Maybe it's the deep conditioner where it kind of fell short. Oh, and also too, I thought I was going to absolutely love this oil. This is their African oil recipe. Oh, because I right now use the Moroccan oil, and I only got this small one this time because I knew I was looking for a new oil anyway, and I was like, oh, okay, I'll buy the little one more time. So I was really excited for this, but my Moroccan oil is better than this oil. Now, you know, I love Beyonce. I love what she's doing with the line. I couldn't wait to support. That's why I went out and got everything. I wish I could sit here and rave about it. I really do. But you guys know that I am very truthful always. Now, one last thing I will say, if you're not worried at all about the price point and you're like, oh girl, yeah, I can cop that, no problem, go get it. Go get it. If this is a reach up for you, it's not something where you need to go out and get right now. Now, I think I left my ORIBE conditioner in the car, but I would have to recommend the ORIBE shampoo for moisture and control, the line for black people, over the CÉCRED. I mean, this is without a doubt. What these products do for my hair, girl, and the conditioner alone is award winning. And it gives the curl pattern. That's another thing with the CÉCRED. You guys saw at the end, right before we were about to blow it out, it just was kind of dead looking. It was not giving. But when I do the ORIBE, the conditioner, girl, you should see my hair. You guys have seen it in some of my vlogs. It's just so full and voluminous, and the curl pattern is just so pretty, girl. I'd be wanting to just dry my hair as is, but I definitely didn't get that from the CÉCRED. I would say this to me is a great line for taking care of your hair at home. So you guys, let me know your thoughts below. I'm gonna do the silk rinse next week. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon for our next video.